Today I want to teach you a couple of things about, or we had Earth Day yesterday, and I wanted to show you what I did make for Earth Day out of a Coke bottle. And this is the top of the Coke bottle, and I cut it halfway out. The bottom part I made as a planter. I showed you that yesterday. But I wanted to show you this, that this can be a scoop, so you can scoop things out, or it could be a toy, but I would recommend that you, when you cut it out, you put tape around it so it doesn't cut you because it is a little sharp. And then take some newspaper or just scrap paper, ball it all up, tape it. You can use pretty tape. If you don't have pretty tape like I didn't, you can color it and then use it. They do a very good job of that. Catch it and have a toy. The other thing I wanted to show you, which I have mentioned a few times, was I have a pantyhose that had a run in them, and what I want you to do is you put some grass seed. I'm using my pantyhose and put some, here's some grass seed I have right there, and I'm not put all of it, but I'm gonna put a good portion of it down there at the bottom. So I want to make sure that it has something to grow with. And then I'm going to put dirt. I've got dirt right here. And I'm going to put dirt in my pantyhose on top of the grass seed. Shake it down there. Put a whole bunch of it. You want a nice big pile of it in here. See if I can get it all in there. A nice big pile. It's kind of hard to do by yourself. And might have to have two people, one to hold it, one to pour it, because it is a little difficult. Anyway, so I'm going to do a little bit more. See if I can get some more in there. It's much dirt. You know, you want a nice big ball, because what it is, it's going to be your head. So you're making like kind of like a chia pet. And when the grass starts to grow, it is really cool, kind of cute. Anyway, so I'm gonna make mine. You can make it a little bit bigger, but you see all the grass seed at the bottom, and there's your dirt. And then you tie it, tie a knot, and you stick it down in a cup. Here's your cup. And then you make a funny face with it. And then you pour some water on this, and then all of a sudden the grass will start to pop out, and that's your hair. And you can use it as a cutting exercise too, where you can trim the hair with your scissors. And it's just a cute little thing, but it is funny when the hair starts coming up. And you put some water on that. So there's a couple things for Earth Day. A day late, but that's my middle name, day late. The other thing we're going to make today is we're going to bake some slime. Now, here's the ingredients, and I'll send that to you. But you're going to need 2 cups of hot water, and I just put mine in the microwave, and a tablespoon of borax. Now, borax comes like this. I got it covered up, and I tried to peel it, but it was starting breaking. You can find it in the laundry department, in the section of the grocery store. The thing is, you only need a little bit of it. You only need a teaspoon of the borax. So if any of you do want to do this and you need some, call me and I can put some in a baggie and stick it outside for you to get. The other thing you're going to need is a half a cup of water that's room temperature, so I've got that. And you're going to need some glitter. Since we're making the earth, have blue glitter and green glitter. Blue for the water, green for the earth, and clear glue. Elmer's clear glue, 5 ounces, which is normal size. So, and then a plastic container to put it in, mix it all up, all that good stuff. So, let's get started. I have not done this before, but I've got my warm water in the microwave, so I'm going to go get that. And here's my warm water. And it's 1 cup. And then I'm going to take a half a teaspoon, because you're going to make 2 batches of this, a green batch and a yellow, green batch and a blue batch. So everything that I gave you is going to be half. So this is just 1 cup of warm water or hot water, and then a half a teaspoon of the borax. There it goes, a half teaspoon. And then you're going to put it in here, put it in, and mix well. So I'm just going to use this to mix it with. And mix it nice and well. Okay, I'm going to set that over to the side. And then in the second container, you're going to pour 1/4 a cup. I think I've got too much here. Yeah, let me pour 1/4 of a cup. And here's my 1/4 of a cup of water, just room temperature water. And squeeze all this glue into the water. That should be fun. So I'm going to sit here and squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. I think, you know what, I'm just going to, because I want the whole thing to go in here, I'm just going to open it all up and just squeeze it in there that way. This should be fun. I've never made slime before. I know you guys like slime. And then I think I'm going to start this first one. I'm just going to make it blue. So we're going to add our blue glitter to this glue. Okay, it's still coming out. And I'm going to take some blue glitter, put it in there. That looks kind of good. Let's see, we can probably add more if we need to. Okay. And then stir together. Okay. So let's see. And the blue, let's see. I'll make sure I got to do it right, because I have never, like I said, never done this before. Put in the glue. Add in the blue glitter. Stir in it all together. And then, let's see, I'm going to use a spatula. So I'm going to stir it in. Probably have glitter everywhere. Okay, you stir it all in. And then you're going to pour in this mixture. Okay. And you keep stirring. And apparently it's supposed to start getting into a ball. It takes about half a minute. Oh, it is starting to turn into a ball. Oh, how cool. And it'll start to form. You pull it out and put it in the empty bowl. Oh, this is cool. Let's see. And there's your slime. There's your blue slime. Oh, how cool is that? Ooh. So there is the water, and it'll dry out a little bit as you do it. But the borax and the glue and everything get together, and they make the nice slime. Ooh, isn't that cool? And it will stop getting sticky after a little bit. And then we'll go and we'll make the green one. So that's how you make your slime. And that's all I'm going to show you today. I'm going to make my green too, and then show you in a few minutes. So it's starting to get kind of cool. Oh, this is very cool. I'm enjoying this. And then you put it in a seal tight container, and you can play with it. Oh, it's not that sticky anymore. This is very cool. I like that. And we're going to make the green one too. So now, see, my hands are clean. I don't have it on my hands anymore. And we're making It doesn't stick to my table either. Isn't that really cool? See, you see, it didn't stick to my table. So that's how you make the slime, and then we're going to make the green in a few minutes. Be right back.